In this video, I'm sharing how to set up a traveler's notebook with a Color Crush traveler's notebook from Webster's Pages, along with a calendar and some inserts, and 3 tips for customizing your new traveler's notebook. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new videos every week about planning and productivity. Thank you so much to Webster's Pages for providing these goodies for us to play with. They also are giving you a coupon code to use on the website. All the details will be in the description box. Here is a traveler's notebook from Webster's Pages. It is the Blush Stripe Traveler's Notebook. Let's take off the cover and go ahead and set it up with some inserts. So one of the best things about a traveler's notebook is that it's super customizable. You can customize it with blank pages, grid paper, lined paper, calendars. You can use it for memory keeping. You can use it as a daily planner. So many things. It's super customizable. So Webster's Pages sent over a couple of different things for us to try out. This one is the undated daily, weekly, and monthly traveler's notebook calendars. Let's see. These are so pretty. So this is the Love Notebook. Ooh, look how pretty that is. So this has an undated vertical planner, and this one has a monthly section in the front and a horizontal weekly section in the back. Let's open the notebooks. Here are the patterns so you can see them up close. This one is blank paper, so you can do whatever you want to do with it. And this one is lined for writing. Tip number 1. So we now have 5 notebooks to put in this traveler's notebook, and it comes with 4 bands. So we're going to need an extra band. Now there are 2 different ways you can do that. You can order bands, and I did find some on Amazon. Any of the craft stores, you can find these kind of things. It's just an extra band for the traveler's notebook, or you can use a regular rubber band. Also, there are 2 ways that you can add them into the traveler's notebook with the extra bands. The obvious way, that's the easiest. You just slide it into the bands. Now, on the 5th notebook, you have 2 different ways you can do it. You can either attach these 2 notebooks together with the extra band this way. So you just have it open to the center of both of those 2 notebooks, and then you just insert this one into the band, or the whole thing into it like this, and then it's holding both of those. The other way you can do it, let's say if you want to add on an additional one here, you can take another band and just attach it right here onto the next notebook. Okay, let's see how that looks. Plenty of room. These hold lots of extra notebooks. You could probably easily add another one, probably 2 more easily in there. Tip number 2, let's make a bookmark for your traveler's notebook. All you're going to need is some kind of ribbon or string and a couple of charms to add to the end. First, we're going to take our ribbon and measure out how much we need. We're going to hook it on here, so we'll start right there. It will go through our notebook, and then we need a little bit of space to tie some knots at the end to hold on our charms. So maybe about this much. This is about 24 inches of ribbon to right about here. All right, now let's loop the ribbon through the charms and tie a slip knot. Now we can trim the excess ribbon and add our bookmark to the notebook. We'll just loop it right through the bands right here. We now have a bookmark. Tip number 3, you can use divider tab stickers to create a little tab to go on the top or the side of your notebooks. Now you can write the label, you can stamp it, or you can use another sticker that is a label for the tab. Let's tab the back of this lined notebook as my journal. Okay, let's do a quick flip through. First of all, this is like a vegan leather cover. It has the cutest little tab on it that says "Love Completely." The inside has two slots for cards, and then one for the little cutout cards that fit in the window. Those come in the accessory pack, and of course you can always cut out your own to put in there. It also has a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here, and a pocket here. So lots of places to put things. Let's add a pen. It does have a pen loop. So super easy to just slide in any of the kind of pens that have that little pen holder there. And of course we have our bookmark added and our extra band, our little bookmark there, our extra band, and our little tab. All set. Leave a comment down below and tell me, how are you using your traveler's notebook? Are you using it as a bullet journal? Do you use it as a calendar? Do you use it in another way? Leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, click the link in the description box to get your free power plan checklist, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!